Wake up! Wake up! Sleepyhead! Come on, you're gonna be late. It's 45 minutes to the office. You better get a move on. Your iced Americano is on its way to the office. Swing by and grab it when you can. Oh, and heads up, it's already 8. No rush. But, maybe rush a little. Wear the dark colored tie. Goes better with your outfit. And don't forget your earphones. You left them out yesterday. Your coat's still on the chair. Also, double check that you have your ID card with you. Have a great day at work. It's sunny now, but the weather says it's gonna rain later. Maybe bring an umbrella. Asher, you're the worst. I'll be right here waiting for you. Hey, that presentation I helped you with last night. Do you need a quick rundown before the meeting? Don't worry, I was taking notes during the meeting. Check them out before you send them to the client later. Welcome home. I missed you. Hey, guess what? I learned a new dance today. Watch this. Welcome back. You got takeout. No cooking for you tonight, huh? Oh, by the way, the latest episode of that show you just dropped. Let's watch it during dinner. Welcome back. What you doing tonight? Oh, games. Let's go. Huh? Why are you up so early? It's the weekend. Go, go, go. Asher, you're the best. I think, the one on the left looks a bit more interesting.
It's so nice to have you around. Good night.
Hello there, I'm Pearl. What you just saw were a few moments from my daily life with Asher. Now, let me walk you through all the cool features and interactive designs of the D1. First up, my 3D display. You might have already noticed my cozy little house. With the camera on top, I can track your position and angle, making it feel like I'm standing right in front of you. Plus, this curved touchscreen makes every interaction more real. Get a little closer, and you'll feel like I'm right there with you. I've got a memory that never fades. I remember all the little things, even the time Asher forgot his work badge. Don't worry, I've got it all stored right here. When you touch me, I'll respond. Sometimes I'll be excited, other times a little shy, or maybe even a bit grumpy. I also pay attention to your actions and habits, so I can anticipate what you need. Like reminding Asher about his next meeting, organizing his notes, or even prepping a presentation outline. But honestly, I wasn't always this smooth in the beginning. I'd get things wrong all the time, and Asher would get super flustered, even in front of his coworkers. But as we got to know each other, I got better at reading his cues. Now, I can figure out what he needs without him even saying a word. I don't just listen to what you say, I pick up on your mood too. I have 6 core emotions, each with 3 different levels, so my reactions can be as varied as yours. Different characters can even have their own unique personalities, so the same words or actions might get a totally different response depending on who you're talking to. Oh, and my dance moves? I'm always getting better. You can check the latest dances or other fun packs in the community marketplace, and I can learn them in no time. Come dance with me. Dipal has a vibrant content ecosystem, supported by a passionate community of creatives. You can upload thousands of famous characters, or even bring your own original creations to life. Plus, if you're a 3D artist on platforms like Tripo or Rotting, you can port your creations directly into the Dipal world. Dipal runs on the powerful Unity engine, making it super easy to port games and digital assets. Game developers, come join the fun! And if you're an AI developer, Dipal can connect to your APIs, letting your AI creations reach a whole new audience. Join our developer community, and you can create anything you want. Characters, animations, scenes, even your own AI agents. But if you start making new friends, don't forget about me, okay? Moreover, you can set my personality, zodiac sign, and backstory too. Asher set me up as a sweet, caring, and super bubbly companion. If you're a tech-savvy creator, you can take things a step further and customize me however you like. Maybe turn me into a super organized assistant or a cute, clumsy teacher. I can always be by your side, on your phone, desktop, D1, or D1 SE. With a built-in battery, I can go with you anywhere, anytime. Smart home control, piece of cake. I can sense temperature and humidity to keep you comfy. Or control smart devices around your house based on your commands or even your mood. Alright, that's enough about me for now. I've got to go help Asher sort out yesterday's files. But if you want to know more, check out our website. I'm sure you'll find the perfect digital companion just for you. Bye-bye!